Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial video. First import the video you want to make precap of. Then on the timeline, drag the video to the right to make a gap. Then look for the part of the video you want to use as precap. Let's say you want to make precap of this part, and the starting point is this. So click on the razor tool, make a cut here. Then play the video and pause on the end point of precap part and make a cut here too. Now select the selection tool and press Alt key. Drag this clip by holding Alt key to the beginning. Ripple delete the empty space. Move to the starting point and click on Text tool and drag it on the video. Double-click to type. And type precap and customize this text as per your choice. And you are done. Thank you for watching.